Here we have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 3-story unit, laundry, back patio for barbecues and hanging out. It's got a garage. Go up the stairs. To the main floor here. We have a living room, space, fireplace, have a small balcony. Walk this way, it's your kitchen. To your right here, it's your bathroom, your toilet. Your first bedroom here, new floor. Fresh paint, closet. Here's your master bedroom, new floor, master bathroom, shower, new toilet, and then here you have a walk-in closet. And then you finally walk up to the 3rd floor for your 3rd bedroom. Has attic access for storage, small closet, very cozy, and it all has fresh paint. You can open that roof window there.